CRO and Chronos coin holders must pay attention to what's going on right now. All of the bullish things that's happening, even though we are in a bear market. What's up, guys? It's Crypto Tro, bringing you the latest and the greatest. And today we're going to talk about how Chronos is absolutely building and how Crypto.com continues to give more people incentives to go onto the Crypto.com app and actually start using the app. And I do believe once more people use the app, it will bring more CRO holders. So this is going to be very big. So stay tuned until the end of this video to get the biggest detail that I'm going to drop, that why I believe CRO will be very, very bullish to hold in the next bull market. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and check out my Crypto.com playlist. It's going back from 2021 all the way up until now 2023, talking about the CRO coin and how it has grown since then. So check out that playlist, and we're going to get straight into it tonight. Let's go. What is the price looking like for CRO? Let's talk about it, baby. So right now I am on coin market cap, and we can see currently price is at 5 cents, and it is a red day, but down less than 1% on a day. And I always tell people, man, you can look at today's prices, but today's prices will not be the same price that we see in the bull market. Now, if we zoom out, it's always best to zoom out. And if you can tell, in 2019, we were at 1 cent for CRO. So up all time is up 158% in appreciation. So CRO has been appreciating, and in the crypto game, you want to dollar cost average on these dips. Now, we did see that tremendous price go up in the bull market in 2021, but prices have since then tanked like crazy. And that's across the crypto board. It's not just Chronos. It's not just CRO. That's a lot of the biggest cryptocurrencies out there. But if you pay attention, if you zoom out on these big cryptocurrencies that's been around for quite some time, you will actually see that they really pretty much appreciated over time. Now, they did dip almost 90 to 99%, but it's always good to zoom out to see the bigger picture. And that's what I wanted to show you guys with CRO. Now we can see market cap is at $1.2 billion, ranked 36 out of all cryptocurrencies. Volume is down a whopping 40%. So volume is down. It's not being pumped as much as it has been, but it's still good to see $6.1 million being traded in the CRO coin. Now, I always emphasize, man, you pay attention to what the team is doing. If a team is building throughout the bear market, especially a team like Chronos, then I'm going to show you something next on my next slide that why I'm so bullish. But we can tell that CRO is really, and the Crypto.com team is really putting marketing first. And I believe marketing will play a big position in the crypto space. I know a lot of crypto people don't like marketing. I'm not sure why. I got a marketing background, a marketing degree. But I think marketing is necessary for crypto projects for the simple fact that you want to get your project out in front of as many people as possible. You don't want these people just to, assume that they'll eventually come on just because you're building. That you can look at different stocks, not just the crypto space, but equities. You can see in that type of space, you got to have some type of marketing behind it. You can have the best product, but if nobody knows about your product, or if nobody is using it, then you just had the best product and it's dead. It don't matter that, that nobody, or that you have the best, nobody is using it. So why would you even build a good product if you're not putting marketing behind it? And that goes to my next slide. So Crypto.com tweeted this out, ready to roll for the Singapore GP. And this is just a sentiment showing how Crypto.com is really putting its front foot forward when it comes to marketing for the app. I love to see Crypto.com everywhere, because I think, or really not even think, I wholeheartedly believe in this next bull market, Crypto.com will be one of the top exchanges once again. Now, we did see in the last bull market, Coinbase and Crypto.com were the top two projects or top two exchanges people use, and it was actually 1 and 2 on the Apple App Store. And I believe this is going to be absolutely big once we hit that bull market. I think this is going to happen again because I think the next bull market is going to be bigger than the last one. And I know a lot of people say, Tro, you're crazy, man. I don't know why you believe it. I'm just being real. I think more money, trillions of dollars will come onto the blockchain, especially once they see the necessity that blockchain technology is creating. I think a lot of people think crypto is a fad. A lot of people think crypto is here today, gone tomorrow. But I like to compare crypto to the internet. Now we see how fast the internet has grown since the beginning, since its inception. The internet, we can't go a day without the internet now. And I believe in the future, it's going to be way bigger than the internet because it's built on top of the internet, and cryptocurrency adoption is actually growing faster than internet adoption. So I think in the future, it might not be next year, it might not even be the next bull market, but in the near future, we will see crypto adoption being so mainstream that is not going to even know that you're using crypto or blockchain technology. Now, something else that I love to see, we can see XPL campaign. You can buy $10 and stand to win $5, 2,000 winners. So Crypto.com continues to give us incentives to trade these different crypto projects. And there's not a lot of exchanges out there that are actually doing this, especially if you plan on buying this project anyway. Now, me personally, I don't know too much about this project. Really, I don't know anything about this particular project, but Crypto.com has a lot of campaigns that do these same type of things. And I think in order to get more people on, this would be an incentive to, do these campaigns, and they can actually, if they plan on buying it anyway, and they can get some extra money from it, then I think that's very bullish just because I can gain something, and I was going to buy this specific crypto anyway. That's something big to look forward to once we start to see more cryptos on board into these, centralized exchanges. Me personally, I'm not the biggest centralized exchange fan, but I do believe it's a necessary evil. Just making it easier to buy cryptos. Now, I do believe once you buy those cryptos on centralized exchanges, you want to put them in your own private wallet, a decentralized wallet where you hold your own keys and things like that. But, for the normal everyday person who is into the crypto space, they really hold most of their cryptos on centralized exchanges. And I don't agree with that, but when you get into the private key holder and things like that, it gets very deep, and a lot of people don't want to worry about holding these private keys or losing them, things like that. So it's easier for them to just put them on a centralized exchange or let them sit on a centralized exchange. And Crypto.com gives us this opportunity by adding these different campaigns and these new crypto projects, and allows the users to actually gain more just by doing something that they already was going to do. So that's very, very big. Now, a big congratulations to Bubble Maps on their successful fundraiser. So Bubble Maps provides powerful on-chain visualization tools, and we are thrilled to witness its continued growth since the first cohort of the Chronos Accelerator. Now, this is big because we starting to see a lot of those big projects that Chronos is putting in the accelerator are actually gaining some traction and are actually, pretty much raising a lot of millions of dollars. And I love to see this for Bubble Maps. I love how Bubble Maps work. You can see so many things on Bubble Maps, and that is going to be very, very big. If you want to do, analyzations, or if you want to do, specific things and just see how every blockchain is doing, Bubble Map allows you to do this, and Chronos was one of the investors of Bubble Map for their initial fund. So I love to see that play out. Now to the good stuff, what everybody's been waiting for. Currently, there are over 30 million, that's right, 30 million CRO, and that's $1.5 million in the community pool ready to burn. So the CRO burn is happening right before our eyes. Now, there's a lot of CRO that needs to be burned, but at the same time, I love to see where we're starting. 30 million is a lot of CRO. And we can see at 6.47 billion CRO, 24 4% of the circulating supply are staked on chain, earning staking rewards. So there's almost 1/4 of the circulating supply is currently being staked, and that just absolutely creates less sell pressure for CRO. Now we do see CRO is at 5 cents right now, but 25% of the stake on chain is earning staking rewards. And that's pretty much saying, hey, it takes a month to unlock those things. It takes a month to unlock the staking thing, or if you stake on chain, it takes a month to really unbridge, or not unbridge, but unstake your coin. So that creates less sell pressure. And I love seeing these metrics. We can see transactions. It's at 32.8 million transactions. Transaction per second is 0.13. Block time 5 seconds. Inflation at 2.5%. Staking APR is at a whopping 8%. That's good in my personal opinion. I started when it was about 11%, maybe even higher. I gotta go back to watch my old videos, but 8% is still good on your CRO, because we know in the long term, if you're investing in the CRO, in the Chronos blockchain, you do believe that price will appreciate. And if you're getting 8% right now at 5 cents, it's going to absolutely appreciate in the next bull market. Now, in the total supply, we see $26 billion, or not dollars, but 26 billion CRO coins rather. And that's very, very big. Like I said, it's 1/4 of the circulating supply. And I can't wait to see how much more CRO will be staked once people see all of these staking APRs that we have, and how you can really multiply your money just by staking it and watching the price appreciate as price rises. So that's my video for today, Crypto Tro. I hope you found this video very valuable. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on those notifications. And also make sure you check out my crypto.com playlist. I got a variety of videos. I even got tutorials on crypto.com. So that's my video for today, Crypto Tro. I'm out of here.